Hi everyone! This creepypasta was created by Aislinn.
Miranda.
Samantha Sarai.
Please enjoy it!
My name is Clay. My parents say that I was very particular. He used to be intelligent and with great visions. He had no need for friends because he was a full-time grade student. The only thing I liked was visiting a trimester lab was in my neighborhood. I used to go the lab because of interesting things the book said.
They talk a lot about alchemy and experiment with dangerous substances and from our young age, I was passionate about reading because of the intrigued content. One day, when a teacher I did know him but I locked kid of captivity unentirely. With their taking I told him about my interest in the place and he told me about his life. He was a former second World War Army commander.
He was a nice person, but sometimes he would comment on experiments that he had always wanted to try by. But the other time contracts he couldn't. After class I went with him to talk because the comment interested me and I was intrigued to know what it consisted of. I talked about it as something wonderful that I could be done can help to end the war. I described that experiment as the man capable of everything. I was so interesting that I asked him, "Is it possible that I can be done at this time?" He replied that he already had everything already, that only one thing was missing. Intrigued, I questioned him, "What is the thing?" He said, "I need a volunteer." Pleading, but the very favorable description of the experiment, I agree.
The professor's face wore an evil smile that only made me feel a terrible chill through my body. The teacher took a minute when he took my hand and pulled me to on the ground. As he felt a few great fear, I didn't know what was going on. A few sharply gave me a severe headache. He strapped to me a gurney that he had in a doorway behind the lab. I could barely see. It was very strange. My body just felt shoulder. He was scared and very agitated. He didn't understand why he was so aggressive.
Thing around me distance. I feel so anxious to the point of fighting. That did last long because a terrible pain stung my veins. I sucked that my putting strange substance on my skin. He inserted needles into my vein that made me read on the script. It is not possible for me to describe the pain it caused even he could of my hand. He replaced them with a suture that hurt me when I had breathed. He replaced my leg with metal tooth on different from the hot. I noticed a change in me, my character, and my way of key.
An inconsistent spark was born that whispered in my heart, "Kill them!" I lost track on my past and was only a reaction of impulse. I started to tear apart what the household in my heart. I got up and drew everything around me. I looked for the author of the beautiful work he had created, and destroyed it as soon as I saw his threatening eyes. I looked at the teacher notes. This was not the experiments that would end the war. It was the experiments that would provoke it. He was crazy, but he knows how to hide. At the end of the day, we are only a simple
Jigsaw.